Welcome to this tutorial on ADAS calibration using ZF MultiScan. ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, rely on cameras, sensors, and radars to function correctly. Calibration is needed after replacing these components, changing a windshield, or reinstalling a bumper. This ensures safety features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and emergency braking work correctly, helping to keep drivers and passengers safe on the road. ZF MultiScan supports both static and dynamic ADAS calibration, and is compatible with calibration equipment from many different manufacturers. In this video, we'll be using the ZF ADAS Calibration Kit. Designed in compliance with OEM standards, it ensures precise calibrations for a wide range of vehicles. Thanks to its adjustable height, it works for everything from compact cars to light commercial vehicles. Plus, it's simple and practical. Easy to set up by one person, saving you time and letting you focus on getting the job done efficiently. An installation guide is also provided to make setup even easier. To begin, open the MultiScan application and connect the ZF DCI MultiScan to the vehicle's OBD port. Once connected, select the vehicle or use the Auto VIN functionality. Then select the ADAS system which you want to calibrate. In our example, we will calibrate the front camera. So select the camera module and choose the camera calibration function. In just a few seconds, ZF MultiScan will establish a connection with the vehicle's ECU. The software will then provide detailed instructions for the calibration process. These include important information like test conditions, which calibration target to use, and how to mount it, how to properly align the vehicle and the calibration equipment, the measurements you'll need to take, and step-by-step guidance for completing the calibration successfully. Next, you'll set up the ZF ADAS Calibration Kit. Its lightweight, mobile design makes alignment easy, and the on-screen instructions will guide you to ensure the equipment is positioned correctly for optimal calibration accuracy. Once everything is in place, click the Start button in the software to begin the calibration process. As you proceed, ZF MultiScan will walk you through each step, prompting you to input key values, such as the wheelhouse height, as part of the process. This ensures that the calibration is done correctly, reliably, and with precision. Finally, once the calibration is complete, you can generate a detailed report with just a few clicks, perfect for documentation or sharing with customers. And that's how ZF MultiScan makes ADAS calibration fast, simple, and accurate. Now it's your turn. Give it a try and see how ZF MultiScan can help streamline your workflow and deliver professional results every time.